Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the unable to send a friend request issue on Roblox. Now the first thing you can do is to head to your browser and then enter status.roblox.com on your browser. Now from there you can check any active issues that are ongoing on Roblox's servers, and if you spot that they may be having some friend request issues, then it's likely that you're not going to be able to send or perform that action until the Roblox tech team gets a fix on it. So the best thing you can do is to wait for a patch and then just keep your app updated. Now, another thing you can check is by heading to your Roblox app, and then from there you can just go to your settings by clicking on more. Then we're going to click on settings, and then we're just going to look for privacy over here, and we're going to double check if account restrictions are enabled. So it's best to keep this disabled, since if you have this enabled, it may prevent you from performing actions such as sending out friend requests. Another thing you can do is to check if, for example, you have any temporary ban from Roblox due to some suspicious behaviors or potentially suspicious behavior. Now, this can happen, for example, if you've been sending out too many friend requests in a short amount of time, or if you're doing any activities that are potentially against their terms of use. Now, if the issue persists, you can also double check your network connectivity. Now, this would entail that if you have poor internet connection, then it can result to the failing of sending friend requests. Now, to remedy this, you can go ahead and try to reset your internet router or maybe refresh your internet connection on your device. Now, if you've done all that, you've checked all of those, then I'd recommend to get in touch with Roblox support, and you can do that by typing in roblox.com/support on your browser, and then under contact us, just fill in the details and then describe the issue you're having and then send it to the Roblox team. They should be in touch with you shortly if they can suggest any steps or maybe fix the issue for you. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.